you define amazing Abasa brand? See, Abasa watches are the blinky nuggets of extremely styled, authentic timepieces which have the power to bring an instant limelight to the person wearing it. And so, such goodness be considered but such mundane things as money? If it were so, all the rich would be great. Greatness is an intent ability to judge the eyes of the connoisseur. That's why Abasa watches are essentially and surprisingly so very affordable. Abasa watches are shimmering timepiece with unbelievably ethereal look and feel. The gorgeous luxury watches in this brand features Japanese quartz movement, and it's not an exaggeration if I say that the watches in this brand are mechanically on par, if not superior, with the best and greatest of luxury watches brand. The dials are deftly and royally made. Abasa watches have one Australian rhinestone studded dial with a brass case, a mother of pearl dial, and so on. The pearly lifetime of these watches include twistine of pearls, the curved pearl straps, and pearly bells, and a lot hell of baguettes entwined in. Abasa was born of the need to have an Indian alternative of international quality in watches that matches in boldness the avant-garde clientele of India. Abasa is a tribute to the presence of God in us. No one has seen him, but he manifests in those who believe in themselves, in the glint of their eyes, the confidence in their stride, the charisma that they exclude. Their arrival needs not trumpets. It just creates that moment of anticipation that something larger than life is going to arrive. That is Abasa, effortlessly bold. All Abasa watches have remarkable beauty quotient, but some put fire in the eyeballs more glibly than others. Among those, Treasure Trove and Firefly have the smoothest run to the crown. Care to see it strapped to my wrist. Its beauty is not a thing. It is an attitude to speak your mind. Wear your heart on your sleeve. Be human and be bold. Thank you.
Well, जैसे कि आप देखा कि शिल्पा दीदी ने कितना ब्यूटीफुल आउटफिट पहना है
रोहित वर्मा's beautiful collection
एंड शी इज़ वेयरिंग अ ब्यूटीफुल वॉच ऑफ शिल्पा मैरीगोल्ड. ये रियल डायमंड गोल्ड की वॉच है. तो ये जो आउटफिट है बहुत सिंपलिसिटी है. सिंपलिसिटी व्हाट इज विल बी इन फैशन, वेरी मिनिमलिस्टिक मेकअप एंड लुक गॉर्जियस एज द वे शी इज लुकिंग.
How important is accessories?
Well, to tell you the truth, my sister makes such beautiful watches that what one I'm sporting right now, and you don't require to wear any kind of bangles with it. Like this watch itself speaks for everything. So very simple, delicate, very very sophisticated and a classy.
आज का फैशन शो डेफिनेटली बहुत हिट रहेगा. रोहित हैज क्रिएटेड अ ब्यूटीफुल gowns, red carpet gowns especially, and Marigold is coming up with her two little sister brands, which is Abasa and Jacaranda. So that is two new brand you are going to see today. Yeah. मुझे जो आज ये नई दो ब्रांड मुझे इंट्रोड्यूस करनी थी, तो उसके लिए मैंने शिल्पा जी को भी आभासा की एक नई वॉच पहनाई है. तो आई थिंक शी विल बी वेरी हैप्पी वेयरिंग दैट. और आप लोग भी देखना और प्लीज़ रिव्यू करना आपको कैसी लगी. सी घड़ी में क्या है, इट्स अ स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट घड़ियाँ जो मैंने भी आज पहनी है. रेड कलर की घड़ी पहनी है विथ ऑरेंज गाउन. तो तो ऐसा जनरली मैं सोचती नहीं हूँ. इट्स ऑलवेज अ डिफरेंट कॉम्बिनेशन. मे बी वेरी आप मैचिंग भी कर सकते हैं, ऑफ द मैच भी जा सकते हैं. सो दैट इज ऑल अबाउट.
सबसे मतलब अच्छा काम करूं और सब कुछ अच्छा जाए. जी बिल्कुल, बहुत खूबसूरत ज्वेलरी वॉचेस हैं और मुझे ज्वेलरी का बहुत शौक है, तो और मुझे वॉचेस का भी शौक है, तो ये 2 in 1 हो गया मेरे लिए.
ब्यूटीफुल वॉच. प्लीज हमें कुछ स्पेशलिटी बताइए मैरीगोल्ड वॉचेस की.
Yeah, today we have introduced 2 little sister brands of Marigold, which is one of these is Abasa. So she is wearing Abasa watch.
क्या स्पेशल है बासा?
These are metal, brass and zirconium watches. So the speciality of these watches are a very blingy and effortlessly bold watches.
I like even her watch.
Yeah.
So beautiful. It's real rubies. चाहिए मुझे ये.
And now, designer Rohit Verma and watch designer Shilpa Marigold.